Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to turn off notifications for specific apps on Android. Alright, so whether you want to silence social media, games, or any other apps, you can do it easily without blocking all notifications. Now let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is to unlock your phone and open the Settings app, which I'm going to do here. Now, once you're here, you have a couple of options. So navigate to notifications. And how do you navigate to notification? Scroll down and tap on apps and notifications. On some devices, it's just notifications. So once you do that, for some devices, you can just go ahead and click on see all apps, or you're going to see app settings, or you're going to see app notifications. For mine, it's app settings. So go ahead and click on app settings and it's going to take you to the app notification windows to get the full list. Now, scroll and find the app you want to silence notifications for. For example, I might want to silence notifications for Pumpy. In fact, I really need to because Pumpy is they disturb me a lot. But I'm not going to because I need to get a notification. I need to know when money comes into my account. All right, so let's say I want to silence notification for Xplayer. So what you're going to do is to tap the app link to open its notification settings, or you can just come over here and toggle off next to the name of the app. So toggle off that thing, or for some apps, you can just tap the name of the app to open its notification settings and toggle off show notifications or allow notifications to block all notifications from that app. Once you toggle this off, the app will no longer send you any notifications, no sound, no badass, nothing. On Android 13 and above, many apps have notification channels or categories like messages, group chats, promotions. So instead of blocking all notifications, you can tap on each category and choose to mute, show silently, or block selectively. This way you can keep important alerts but silence the rest. It's super handy. All right, so go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.